If your Zelle account has been restricted, you may be able to appeal the decision and regain access. Follow these steps to navigate the appeal process effectively. Step 1. Review the restriction notice. Check your email or Zelle app for any communication regarding the restriction. Understand the reason provided for the restriction, as this will help you address the issue in your appeal. Step 2. Gather necessary information. Collect all relevant information related to your account, including your account number, transaction history, and any correspondence with Zelle. This documentation will support your appeal. Step 3. Contact Zelle customer support. Reach out to Zelle's customer support through their official website or app. Use the contact options provided, such as phone or chat, and explain your situation clearly and concisely. Step 4. Submit your appeal. Follow the instructions given by customer support to formally submit your appeal. Include all gathered information and any evidence that may help your case, such as screenshots or transaction details. Step 5. Follow up. After submitting your appeal, keep track of your case by following up with customer support if you don't receive a timely response. Be patient, as it may take some time for them to review your appeal. By following these steps, you can effectively appeal your account restriction on Zelle. Good luck.